Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Medicine with Farhan. My name is Farhan Khan and I am pharmacist by profession. A topic we are diving into today, a very crucial topic, a heart disease. But before we need to understand what are the heart diseases and how they develop. Basically, our heart is the engines of our body and pump the life through the veins. But what happens when this vital organ faces challenges? Let's find out together. Now I will teach you. Today I will teach you about the heart diseases and development and types. Before we delve into the types of the heart diseases, it is essential to understand what they are and how they develop. Our heart is a complex organ and susceptible to the various conditions that can affect its function. What are the heart diseases? A heart disease refers to the range of the conditions that affect the heart's structure and the function, impairing the ability to work effectively, and these conditions can affect the blood vessels leading to the heart and coronary arteries, the heart muscles itself, or the valve within the heart. Causes of the heart. Let me explain. Heart disease develop due to the combination factor include genetics, lifestyle, and the environmental influences. Over time, these factors lead to the accumulation of plaque in your arteries, narrowing them and reducing the blood flow to the heart. This produces known as atherosclerosis as a common underlying cause of the many heart diseases and conditions. Now we understand how heart disease develop. Let's explore the different types. Coronary artery disease, heart attack, arrhythmia, heart failure, and the heart valve disease. Coronary arteries. This is the most common type of the heart diseases and occurs when the arteries supplying blood towards the heart become narrow or the blocked by the plaque buildup. Heart attack, also known as the myocardial infarction. A heart attack occurring when blood flow to the part of the heart or the block, leading to the damage or the death of the heart muscle cells. Arrhythmia. This refers to the abnormal heart rhythm, which can cause the heart to beat too fast or too slow, or irregular. Heart failure. Contrary its name, heart failure doesn't mean that heart has stopped beating. Instead, it is a condition where the heart can pump enough blood to meet the blood body's need. Heart valve disease. This occurs when one or more of the heart valves don't work properly, affecting the blood flow through the heart. These are just a few examples of the many types of the heart disease that can affect us. While some risk factors, at the end, I want to say that educating ourselves towards the heart disease is the first step towards the prevention and the better heart health. Remember that small change in your lifestyle can make a big difference to reducing your risk. At the end, if you found this video insightful and informative for yourself, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more content on the health and the wellness. Take care of your heart because this is the only one you have got. Up till next time, take care and stay connected and bye.